pre-K friends, and welcome back to a new edition of Where in the World Wednesday. Today, we are going to be talking about jobs, since we've started our new unit talking about community helpers and different jobs from all over the world. For this week's edition, we are going to be talking about building a house. When you drive around your neighborhood or around the city, we see construction workers working on building homes like this man here, or building huge buildings, especially in Seattle. We have cranes all over, which is a huge piece of equipment that carries very heavy pieces of steel or concrete or different materials in order to build homes or buildings or apartment buildings. Contractors and tools are very important parts. As you can see here, they are laying the foundation for a house with a somewhat crane coming in to pour the concrete. Here are some construction workers working on a big building with all of their equipment laid out. Pretty cool stuff. And do you recognize these? These excavators and diggers and tractors come in very handy. So now that we've talked about local construction sites and jobs of building homes, we're going to travel back in time to ancient Egypt and check out pyramids, which are one of the 7 wonders of the world. They were built around 4,500 years ago along the Nile River. Whoa, that is a long time ago. The Egyptians believed that if someone died, someone special called a pharaoh, they would bury them in the pyramid and they would live on forever. It took almost 20 years to build, these pyramids. And the tallest of the 3 pyramids is called the Great Pyramid. Ancient Egyptians were buried with their belongings, and the walls were painted with pictures that help us understand a lot more about life in ancient Egypt and what it was like with the farming. The pictures sometimes looked like this. Can you imagine dragging stone all the way up a huge hill and building this pyramid with just the strength of men, with no cranes and no tractors and only horses and manpower? Pretty crazy. And there are the 3 pyramids with the Great Pyramid in the middle. I hope you've learned a little bit more about ancient Egypt, and I look forward to sharing with you again soon. Bye-bye.